What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you don't know that already, I love all things makeup and beauty, and I am also a mother. My kids are slamming the door. Ignore that. My kids have been fighting all day. Though this is the first time I filmed in probably a whole week and a half, and my kids have been so well behaved. The one day I want to sit down and film, they have been doing nothing but fucking shit up. If that isn't the story of my life, I don't know what is. I've been really focused on doing kind of like Halloween themed looks on TikTok, so I haven't really been filming. I did do like a couple of like skull looks, which I was going to post, but my Halloween looks flopped. They flopped on TikTok, which just made me so sad. So I didn't want to put them out there again just to get them to flop everywhere. That would make me feel really bad. So I just decided to say fuck it, and I just posted them on TikTok. So if you want to see my Halloween looks, definitely check out my TikTok, 381 Makeup, like all my other social medias. So I wanted to do this kind of like really Halloween look, like purple, green, black. Those colors remind me of Halloween. And so this is it. Also, the dinosaur off of the Rugrats. For some reason, this reminds me of him. Maybe some Barney vibes? I don't know. But yeah, so these are the vibes I'm going for today. I just do my eyes on camera because I feel like nobody really gives a shit how I do my face. You might, but I mean, I feel like people don't. So I just kind of skip past that. But I mean, I'm feeling the vibes. So yeah. Anyways, I'm just kind of running on and on. While I'm doing my makeup though, I'm in a different shirt, so don't mind that. It's one of my dad's shirts. I have a bunch of them. If you see me in some guy shirts, they're my dad's. Anyways, but we're just gonna go ahead and stop jibber jabbering and jump right on in. Starting off as always with my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor number 2. So for my look today, I'm going to be using a couple of different palettes. Starting with my Jeffree Star Alien palette. I just recently got this as a gift from one of my lovely friends. So I'm going to take this shade right here called Area 51. So I'm going to take this purple and I'm going to pack it down right in my crease in the shape that I want my cut crease to go. And I want this to be dark. I want it to be dark. So first I'll pack it down and then I'll start like to blend it up and out. Okay, so there is definitely plenty of colors to blend this purple out, but those were not the vibes I was going for. So I'm actually going to be taking my P. Louise Loves Tapes palette because I wanted a very light purple. So I'm going to take this purple right here called Satisfy. I'm going to take this on a big fluffy brush and just buff this whole thing out. And then after I lay this color down, I'm going to go back and forth between the two colors just to make this blend perfect, nice and seamless. Okay, so now that I'm satisfied with how that blended out, I'm going to take some Vaseline and I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. Cutcrease. Now I'm going to take my P. Louise Basic Bright, and this one is in OTT Orange. I'm going to take the littlest amount and do a line, as you can see on this side. Now I am going to take my Carnival XL Pro and just take the orange. I'm just going to take this orange right here called Lit. Okay, now I'm going to go in with more Vaseline, clean this up, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my cut crease down. So now that that cut crease is on, let's see what's next. Right, back into my Alien palette, I'm going to take the shade Alien. What, baby? Now I'm going to take my Peaches and Cream Pigment and Base Glue. Well, this is their glitter, like, glue. And this one is in Rattlesnake. Here, take some of this. And just pat it over the green real quick. And you can see the glue, like, takes away from the original shimmer. But that's alright because I just wanted this color as, like, a base. So now I'm going to take the pigment, same big fat brush. Look at that. My camera cut off. Fuck, it cut off. So my camera cut off, so I use my Huda Beauty Duo and Liner to do this wing. Look how cute she is. Okay. So that's really annoying because I was going to do my eyeliner on camera because I'm like, wow, look at how great your eyeliner is. Boom, it didn't record. So, yeah, Huda Beauty eyeliner, just line that on up. So I just wanted to show you guys really quickly. So when you see when my eyes are down, right, like everything is like real nice, but when I look up, do you see how it folds over the green folds over the orange to the purple? So probably by the time I'm done doing my makeup, the glitter will have kind of transferred a little bit up to where my eyelids open. So if you notice that, I just wanted to show you how clean this is right now. Because probably by the time I'm done, when I do like my ending, when I show like up close clip, there's probably going to be glitter like all up here. So that's shitty. But I'm going to go ahead and do my face makeup, and then I could come back. We could do lashes, the eyes, you know, lips, all that good stuff. Alright, so my face is done. I went a little extra on the blush because I feel like it's kind of like a Halloween look. So yeah. I'm going to start with my lashes, and then I will do my under eyes, which I'm going to get a little crazy. So my lash of choice today is going to be these Beauty Creation lashes in the style Look. It's a look. So let's glue these bad boys on. Still going anyways. Alright, cool. lashes are on. So I'm going to take my same Huda Beauty liner, and I'm going to line the top and the bottom of my eyes. So I think I'm going to take my Carnival Extra Large Pro palette, and I'm going to take the height. My kids are fighting over the controller, so if you could hear that, just ignore it. Oh, got it in my eyeball. Got it in my eyeball. That was dramatic. Ignore me. And then I think I'm gonna take Nuke, which is that green right there. Kind of like a dark teal color, actually. I think I'm gonna take just a little bit of the black lights out. And go back in with the height. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Do a little bit of lower lash line mascara and then my lips, and then we come back and see the completed look all together. Okay, so here is the completed look. I just threw a nude lip on because I felt like there was a lot going on with the eyes, so I didn't want to get like real crazy with the lips. But yeah, here is the completed look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe, and without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and roll the clip.